out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
Silence. Hello and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Last time you saw me, I was in Melbourne, then I flew back and had 4 days of work, and now I'm in Dunedin with this guy. Well, technically right now we're in Naseby. I landed in Dunedin last night and we've come for a little day trip. Oh, and we went to the markets this morning. That was really fun, and I had a crepe because I was craving crepes, and now we're gonna go have some food again. Hey babes.
Yeah?
Did you miss me?
No.
It was a whole month. You're so antisocial.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun.
Just doing a cheeky wee photo shoot. Check my makeup now. And an outfit change. Always bring a skirt with you when you're a blogger / YouTuber / Instagram.
We'll be chilling and having a good.
Just took some self-time shots. Looking into the woods using the car as our tripod. Loves the photo shoot, don't you, Kern? We are back from our little road trip and I fell asleep twice on the way back. I'm not a very good road trip co-passenger. I'm so boring. Now I'm gonna give Kerner his Christmas presents. Except he already knows what the main thing is because he picked it out. Not so subtly linked it to me several times, didn't you, Connor?
My Instagram story has a dog.
You're just rewatching your Instagram story.
It's a dog.
It's so cute.
What's this? Oh my god, what is it?
Oh my god, it's just a mystery.
Whatever could it be? Where'd this bag come from as well?
It came with it.
Do I get to keep it?
Yeah, well, it
Yes.
came with the shorts.
Yes! Ooh. Why is there a comb in here? What are you trying to say?
Oh, that's where my comb went. I was trying to brush my hair.
Wow. That was the best part of the present. Tara, thank you so much for your support of Tussie. Small business in slow fashion.
It's because I got it shipped to Tara because the shipping was cheaper.
Tara, this is for you.
We hope you like your shorts, Tara.
Oh my god, is it the candy cane? Was that from them?
Yeah, that one's
my God.
actually for you.
I feel like this present is a lot for you and Tara right now. Oh, they're so soft.
So nice, eh? Okay, this one's a huge surprise.
Oh my god, it's Rocky Road. Oh my god, thank you.
I got sent that, so I'm just regifting it because I don't eat chocolate.
It's got the fancy dried raspberries on the top.
I eat chocolate, I don't eat nuts. I don't know what I'm saying.
What is it? Oh my god, it shakes.
Remember what I asked about the
Oh, that's handy, thank you.
Yay!
Perfect.
I also got sent those and I'm regifting them.
Unbelievable. Are these all regifts?
No, the last two aren't. You make me sound really bad.
Alan's friends and family, guess what you guys are getting for Christmas? Regifts.
No, I bought this one.
It smells funny. Oh god.
Yay!
The Dark Heart Beard Company Arabica Facial Scrub.
It's a manly face wash. Look, it's a beard. It's so manly.
Oh my god, it's a beard.
I got it at the beauty sale at work.
Oh. Is this a keychain or do you want me to hang it in my car?
I don't know.
Inside joke.
I won it at the Melbourne street fair that we went to.
These are all regifts.
No, they're not. I won it. I won you a soft toys. They're romantic.
Thanks, peeps.
You're welcome. So it's now dinner time. Connor is in the kitchen cooking some chicken and I've just been posting some Instagrams and Instagram stories of photos we took today, and I thought it might be cool to show you like how I edit them. So I just posted this one here, and I'll put up like a before and after now so you can see how much I edited it. I'm not like super good at editing. Usually I leave all the editing of photos to Tara to do because she's really good at it, like she's got a good eye. But I guess I do edit my Instagram photos a little bit, and most of the time the app that I use is Snapseed. This isn't sponsored, by the way, that kind of sounded sponsored. So let me go through. I've already edited some photos from today, but I figured I'd edit it again and record my screen so you guys can see what I did. I'm gonna try edit this one. And we had some issues in the location because of the sunlight. It was really harsh. It was making my face really dark, so that's why I put Connor's hat on, and I shot like most of them from behind, like the back of my head pretty much. We also tried to shoot some photos next to these really cute lupin flowers, but as you can see, like the lighting was just like so bad on my face, and I feel like no matter how much editing you do to those kind of photos, it won't look cute. So the key to getting cute Instagram photos is first finding cute lighting. If you don't have cute lighting, use a hat or photograph your back like this and make it look cuter. Or we also stopped on our way, I didn't vlog this part, but we stopped at this really cool lookout, and I got these photos, and they had really nice lighting with a little bit of blue sky. So I'll show you how I edit one of those as well. So I'm opening my photo app in Snapseed, and basically my favorite tool is the brush tool, and from that usually exposure is the one that I go to. And I like this because you can literally like use your finger and draw on it and lighten areas that you want to. And like I know you can do that in Photoshop and stuff, but it's so easy doing it on your phone with your finger. So good. Like it has changed the game for me. And you can kind of see here that I can lighten up my face with that, but when I lighten up my arms and my t-shirt, I look super pale. So I'm gonna go back down to 0.3 and kind of like take a little bit of the brightness out of my arms. I mean, it's just a little much, and maybe the t-shirt as well. Yes. And then we'll zoom back out, and that looks a lot better. And so already just by doing that, my face is a lot brighter, the grass and the greenery is a lot brighter. Another thing you can do is switch from exposure to saturation, and you can boost the colors with that. I do use that, I don't know if it's weird or not, but I use that when I have photos of the ocean, because you know how sometimes the photo doesn't look as blue as you see it in real life. Like some people think that when you edit photos like that, you're like trying to scam people, but my idea is like when you take a photo, it doesn't really look like how you see it sometimes. Like when you look at the ocean, the colors are so vibrant and bright, and then when you take a photo, it kind of doesn't have that brightness to it. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm just putting that color back into the photo. Oh my god, hi!
Are you deciding on a movie?
Welcome to the editing party.
Are you deciding on a movie for tonight?
Maybe. I'm showing the people how I edit my Instagram photos. Another tool that I like to use on Snapseed is called the HDR Scape. But I really like it when you're doing like landscape shots or shots outside where you have the sky and greenery. I think it just helps like boost the colors. But often when I try it on some pictures, it looks really stupid. Like, I don't know, if I tried it on the Instagram that I posted when I moved into my apartment, like the white walls and everything, it just didn't look cute. So let's see what it looks like on here. That's quite intense. So it's got a few different options, and they all are quite intense to start with. So usually I like to pick one, usually the nature one, and then I just kind of dial back the filter strength a little bit. So that's just give it like a little bit of an oomph. I think now that I'm looking at this photo, I think my eyes are kind of shut, which is funny. This happens to me all the time. So I'm just gonna hit done on that. And usually what I do is I'll then open up on Instagram and maybe like brighten it or turn down the contrast or turn down the saturation, whatever I'm feeling in that moment. That was fun though. Let's do another one. And I'm gonna start off with the brush. Brighten it up again. A bit, again, I don't know how to English. So usually I just go over the whole picture to make sure I don't miss any spots. And then I might come back and turn down the exposure a bit. Okay, so I just ran out of space on my memory card, so I'm not sure where that cut out. But I'm going to add a little bit of saturation back into the grass. Let me see. So I'm going to add a little bit of saturation into the grass, maybe into me, make myself look a little more tan. And yeah, so this is the before, this is the after, and that's the before. So basically I've just brightened it and put a lot more color back into the image, and then again I'll take it into Instagram when I want to post it and maybe brighten it up a little bit more or that kind of thing. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit more into how I do my Instagrams. I think that pretty much covers it. Oh, another app that I use Visco, but it's mostly just for the layout. So this has the layout for our Shop Style Conquer Instagram. I don't know if you can see that. That is pretty much it. We're gonna have some dinner now. Not sure what else is on the agenda, but should be good. Hello, we have fast forwarded in time to Tuesday evening. I haven't vlogged anything else because I wasn't doing anything exciting. I just had work and I thought I needed to add something to this vlog. And this evening is slightly more exciting because my friend Daniel is coming over to look at my apartment for the first time, and we're gonna have some cheese and wine, and we're gonna make some burgers. So that's kind of exciting. Over the past week since I went to Melbourne, I have also got some new things for my apartment. So I thought while I wait for Daniel, I might show you a few new things. Number one, let's start over here, the biggest object. The most difficult thing to build, I will also add. I thought I was quite an intelligent woman. I thought I was capable of putting together flat pack furniture, and it's together, it's standing, but it took a while. Let's just leave it there, let's not go there. So I picked up this shelf from the warehouse when I came back from Melbourne. As you can see, I've added my cute little IKEA plant. If you haven't seen our IKEA vlog, go check that out. I also got this really nice diffuser for super cheap from the warehouse because the apartment kind of has still a bit of a weird smell to it, and my desk still fits there. I still need to figure out what to do with that pink box. That's not really that cute there, but it's there for now. I also have a bit of candle explosion. I also have another candle that's lit over here. Shout out to my colleague Fleur if you are watching this vlog. Thanks for the candle. It's a little bit messy over here. I got sent this gingerbread box with a gift in it from Sky TV. So it's kind of like Christmas decoration. I've just left it there. I don't want to throw it out. It's too cute. This really beautiful cheese board was also a Christmas gift along with a little set of knives. So I'm going to crack those out tonight for Daniel. And at the moment I'm just storing our t-shirts in a box down here. If you missed the vlog all about the t-shirts Tara and I have designed, I'll link it up here on a card and in the description box. You should definitely go check it out. And go check out a t-shirt, go buy one, that would be really awesome. I was wearing it in the photo shoot in the shots earlier in this vlog if you were loving it, because I am loving it. I'm wearing it a lot. I kind of have to control myself and not wear it every day because that's kind of boring. Another new warehouse purchase is this beautiful ottoman. Just how gorgeous is this? I love it. It's just my style, and I kind of wanted a different colored cushion, but because I have a black couch, I think this actually works a lot better. If you saw our IKEA vlogs, you'll know that I bought this cushion on a bit of an impulse, but it actually looks pretty cute, especially with the white fluffy one and the gold, and then the gold ottoman. I'm feeling it, except this is very messy. I just carried this giant box home from work, which will be very handy for storing stuff in, and I've been sent a whole bunch of goodies. Should we do a haul? Let's do a haul. In the land of media and advertising, PR world, this is a great time of year because everyone you work with sends you nice bottles of wine. So in this box I have a bottle of rosé, a bottle of Verve, which I'm very excited about. I'm putting those in the cupboard. I also have some delicious Bennett's chocolates, which have already been opened. I may have been snacking on those this afternoon while I was trying to finish my story. I also got sent a Christmas decoration from Universal Movies, and it's the Grinch. I'm not sure how this will look in the new apartment. Potentially I could give it to my mum to give to one of her school children. The next thing that arrived in the mail that I'm very excited about is from Daniel Wellington, and I have been obsessed with their watches for so long, and they sent us an email and offered to send us a watch each, which was super exciting. So this video isn't sponsored by them at all, but just full disclosure, they did send this to me, and I was like, of course I'm gonna unbox this on camera because it's freaking Daniel Wellington and it's so cool. First of all, how chic are these Christmas packaging boxes? So beautiful. This would make a really good gift if you need a last minute gift guide. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So this is the beautiful set that I chose. It comes with this gorgeous gold watch and a little bracelet as well. So here is a close-up on the beautiful watch and bracelet. I kind of need to figure out how to fit it to my wrist, but other than that, I love it. It's beautiful. I can't remember the exact name of this watch style, but I'll leave a link to it in the description box. And Daniel Wellington also gave us a discount code if you guys want to get a little bit of extra money off. And I think I need to take this off now and get ready because I did not really have the time, and Daniel's going to be here soon and I haven't done any food preparation.
Christmas in